नमस्कार, आप देख रहे हैं चैनल वन। BNI एस्पिरेशंस ने मनाया अपना 5वां एनिवर्सरी। सभी मेंबर्स की उत्साह के साथ मीटिंग की शुरुआत 27 जून 2025 को स्प्रिंग क्लब में की गई। इस मीटिंग में उपस्थित रहे प्रेसिडेंट सैयद अजीज अहमद, वाइस प्रेसिडेंट शशांक शर्मा, सेक्रेटरी ट्रेजरर अमित बड़ोई के साथ और भी कई गणमान्य सदस्य और विजिटर। आगे देखते हैं एक्सक्लूसिव चैनल वन के साथ ये मीटिंग कैसा रहा।
And as president, my role is to chair our weekly meetings, ensuring that we follow the structured agenda developed by BNI, which is proven to maximize the business passed in any BNI chapter.
The performance of the chapter in terms of the business passed between our members. Like any good business, we set goals and monitor our progress towards achieving those goals. Secondly, I chair the membership committee, which is charged with the following reported tasks.
The subscription payments of the members and to manage the chapter finances. To introduce our lead visitor host.
Now request the visitor host team member to stand as I introduce them.
Anniversary of this chapter today. We have completed 5 years, and on this 5th anniversary, I'd like to congratulate all the members. 2 persons who actually founded the chapter, launched the chapter 5 years back at the time of COVID. It was launched so that was very hard time, and at that time these were the 2 people who took the initiative, and the pillars were so strong, it's still running. And we go ahead. Okay, we have only completed 5 years, lots of more days to come and years to come. 15th, 16th and 17th of August 25 at Milan Mela. So save the dates and please be there. All of you present here and your references as well. It is a business and professional networking organization that allows one representative from each profession to join. The sole purpose of the group is to give its members more business. This is a chapter which has a very strong core value, and we have done great. That is why you are still there after all the turmoils and the still there.
From golden aluminium, the one-stop solutions for all types of aluminium needs.
So congratulations to all my friends here. मेरे को जैसे अभी चांदनी की बात से याद आ रहा था, the foundation of the chapter was laid on 3rd January 2020. उस दिन थोड़ा बारिश भी हो रहा था. नॉर्मली क्या होता है, if you are going to the chapter meeting for the first time, और बारिश में देखा कि बारिश हो रहा है, called up चांदनी सवेरे 7 बजे कि बारिश हो रहा है, meeting is postponed. She said नहीं, meeting हो रहा है.
Aspirations, everyone, BNI aspirations. मैं आज आ रही थी, तब एक रास्ते में गाना सुन रही थी, रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के. So exactly same thing happened with the aspiration. We have faced lot of challenges, but still we completed 5 years. With your personal life, with financial life, you can take the help of astrologer, Astroparna, and I'll try to make your life easy.
Website designer, contact me for just to talk about websites. My gift is D&B Bose Chartered Accountant. My is anyone who wants to discuss on websites.
Good morning.
This is Geeta Raghani, your financial advisor, and my motto is to help every individual to secure their family future financially at a very nominal rate.
मैं जाहिद लस्कर, my company name RNZ Furniture Sofa Specialist.
My name is Jawad Salahuddin, representing my firm KS International. I am the hardware partner of this chapter.
Krishna Mundra, under the category of women's ethnic wear. My brand name is Mishna. We are nested in DD Block, Kolkata, South Lake.
My name is Manav Saraf Investments. We are in the category of stockbroking in this chapter. I'm into software solution, I implement business software applications like Zoho and other softwares.
Thus, I'm the founder of Witnessing Love into the category of wedding photography.
Real estate is not about buying property. To connect with your own real estate friend, Rajesh Pramani.
Presenting my company GoEasy. We provide flight fare for both domestic and international.
First of all, I would like to wish every member sitting out there happy 5 years anniversary to our chapter. I would like to thank our area director and Chandni and Siddharth Kapoor into the category of signages from Siddhi Solution Services.
Representing Dr. Paul's Advanced Hair and Skin Solutions. Me to your friends who are suddenly started wearing cap and wrinkle on forehead. My gifts. DRS Estate Infrastructure Private Limited. Signing off, Dr. Shukanta Bhattacharya, Dr. Paul's Advanced Hair and Skin Solutions.
Sukesh Bhagat, a 3-year-old baby, representing my hotel Ananya, which is situated in Salt Lake.
From HealthBeach here, your go-to digital marketing partner. We utilize the latest in digital marketing technologies and strategies to ensure your business not only competes but leads in today's digital age.
Happy anniversary to all. 5 साल के अवसर पे 5 की बात करें तो 5 उंगली बन जाए मुट्ठी. हमें एकजुट होकर चलना है, एकजुट होकर बढ़ना है. और रही मेरी बात तो एजेंट में भी 5 लेटर है और टूर्स में भी. Connect me for best tours packages.
Good morning, Aspirations.
Good morning.
Congratulations on the 5th anniversary. And thanks to Mr. Jal Balsaras, Chandni ji and Rajiv Dar to be a part of the celebration. I, Saeed Ahmed, representing my company Zenith Interiors. Our design process is centered around understanding your unique lifestyle and aspirations, creating a space that not only looks beautiful but also functions seamlessly for your daily life.
Good morning. This is Madhumita. I am interior designer. I represent my company that is Dream Drop Interior.
Good morning.
मेरा नाम पंकज है. मैं स्टार क्लास से
outstanding. क्या energy था. It was super. The vibe, the meeting, the energy, the smiling faces, the nostalgia. I mean, it took us back to the time when we launched this chapter. Seeing those happy faces again, the founding members, the business exchange. कौन बोलेगा ये 25 इतने hyper है, इतना bumper business करते हैं every week. Meeting was absolutely outstanding. I wish I could come every week. I love Aspirations. Happy 5th anniversary, Aspirations.
Thank all the members of Aspirations who have been a part of the journey for the last 5 years. It's been excellent business, excellent references, and it's an astonishing platform that you can benefit and grow your business on. Thank you for everyone coming to this and making it such a big success. Aspirations 5 years anniversary, going great. Thank you.
Hi, good morning everyone. This is Rajiv Dhar. I'm very proud to come to Aspirations once again. It's always very nostalgic because ये एक फैमिली सा है. इसी से मेरा लॉन्च जर्नी चालू हुआ था, स्टार्ट हुआ था. आज रूम में गजब का एनर्जी था, विजिटर्स थे और सबसे बड़ी बात मीटिंग वाज अबव पार. मतलब आई डिड नॉट एक्सपेक्ट दिस मीटिंग टू बी सो नाइस. थैंक यू एस्पिरेशंस फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी एंड ऑल द बेस्ट. इस GVD के बाद लेट अस गो 51 पार. थैंक यू.
बिजनेस तो होती रहती है लेकिन इतने अच्छे लोगों से मिलना जुलना सप्ते में एक बार that adds value. So I love my team Aspirations. I love, and these are the 3 pillars of strength, and there are many more of course. I'm here to grow with them. As I told in my presentation that I'm a 3-year-old baby and I'm wanting to become an adult with them, and I'll be wanting myself to go ahead. Thank you.
So dear friends, BNI एस्पिरेशन, आज हम लोग 5th एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं. फाउंडेशन वॉज डन ड्यूरिंग कोविड 2020 में, और हम लोग 22 मेंबर अभी बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग बिजनेस जनरेट कर रहे हैं आपस में बिजनेस एंड रेफरल दोनों जनरेट कर रहे हैं। और हम और बहुत बड़ा जो इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ है वो हम लोगों में स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्डिंग है। दिस इज फॉर अस, इट इज़ अ सेकेंड फैमिली। ये जो बॉन्डिंग और फैमिली, ये दोनों का जो कॉम्बिनेशन है ना, ये दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन ही हम लोग को आगे फ्रेंडशिप, बिजनेस, रेफरल सब हेल्प करता है।